Hi, I'm Pam from Highlandboxes, and this year I'm taking part in Makers Rock Album Art Collaboration. This year's theme is 90s rock albums, and the album I've chose to replicate is Innuendo by Queen. I will be completing this project and it will be put up onto YouTube on the 20th of March. There's 35 other people taking part in this collaboration. Those include Know What Mum Knows, Make It Soph, John Clothier, Portal Woodworks, Templeboy Turnings, Andrew Setters, Dylan's DIY Workshop and JP Woodworking. I will share the links to all 35 of the other makers so that you can explore who's doing what. This is just a promotional video to say that it's happening. The project will be started and it will be completed by the 20th. Thanks very much for watching.